Hey, this is Palgorithms. Welcome to my video. Today I'm making a liquid simulation. I'm not gonna tell you what's gonna happen because I have no freaking idea. Let's get right into it. Okay, our little setup function which runs only once, draw function runs rapidly after setup. Yeah, p5.js as easy as that. Mouse pressed function not used yet, key pressed D for this little jiggly circle, and get angle, get distance, draw arrow, draw a line, which is maybe handy. Obviously, the first thing I'm gonna do is make some particles to act as our drops or something. Okay, here we are with some drops that doesn't look like water at all. Okay, let's see how is it going. We have a class called drop and it has some static variables for making multiple drops. In the constructor we have ID, which is going to be unique for every one of them so we can find them easily. X and Y for the position, and they will be pushed to this array. Render drops is the method that will render the drops, obviously. We're going to update the drops here too. In mouse pressed function, we can make new drops by the mouse X and Y, just like this. Good so far. On the next step, I want to add gravity and don't let them escape the screen. Let's see how this one looks like. Let me add this drop size for you to see it better. This is gravity, kinda, for now, okay? And they stop at the ground level, and even if you try to push them from the walls, they will come back. In the updates, we have gravity adding to our drop, and the drop has a function called come back to screen. What does that do? You probably know it, right? Yeah, I don't like this gravity. Let's fix it. Okay, here's how new gravity works. I love it. Each drop has a speed which starts from 0, and the gravity will change the speed and the speed will change the position. Okay, now what's the next step? I don't want them to go through each other like this. That doesn't feel right. Okay, I did some progress and we have a runaway method which doesn't let them go through each other. As you can see here, they find each other in touch and they get away from them. It looks really good at first, but when you try to add some more, it just breaks because of the gravity adding a lot of speed to them. I see two problems now. When they collide, we're actually making one of them pushed away, as you can see here. The others don't move. And the other problem is gravity's still going up and building much more pressure than we can imagine. So let's fix both of them. Okay, here's the formula, which is really complex, so I'm not gonna explain everything to you, but as you can see, it means that they push each other equally. And that's a good thing. It's going pretty good so far, and it needs some work. Not so bad though. Looks like water. Actual atoms do something like this. You know, the particles always moving around. Ladies and gentlemen, water. So they are just forming some gaps between them. But if we have them a little bit closer, we'll get something like this, which I think is really cool. Let's see if that works. Okay, let's see. Not bad. More like water. Let's have the strokes and see how that looks like. Yeah, that's good. Here's the pool, baby! It looks stupid as I wanted it to be. As you might notice, there's some gaps right here that doesn't look really good. And that's because we're running away after we come back to screen. We have to run away and then come back to screen. I love my naming methods. Now you can see there's no stupid gaps on that line. Oh, I got an idea. It's a washing machine. Looks really awesome. I love it. It's rotating the direction of gravity and they all follow it very well. I actually got a little help from AI to make it even more realistic. And after all of this we did, I don't feel much difference. But it's probably more efficient now. That's enough for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And this project will be on my GitHub. Make sure to check it out and make it better if you can. I'll be very pleased to see you coding things like this. After all, keep yourself hydrated. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. That was heavy. Peace. Bye.